yeah, make this. It's pretty good.
Don't choke on it, for goodness sake.
So what we have is we have this meatloaf seasoning. I don't know if you say Kinders or Kinders. We've called it both. And on the package, it already tells you what you need. You need 1.5 pounds of ground beef, 1 cup of breadcrumbs. We use crackers because we didn't have any panko breadcrumbs. 1/2 cup of milk and 3 eggs in a bowl. You mix it all together and add the seasoning to it, and you have meatloaf. You don't have to cut up vegetables or anything like that. It's already in there. It's got garlic and onions and things like that already in the seasoning packet, so it makes it really easy to make this meatloaf. I'm going to add 1.5 pounds of hamburger meat. That was beautiful. We're going to add our seasoning right on top of it. 3 chicken nuggets. Oh gosh.
Stop it. That's why you bang them together. Bang them.
I've seen where people just like drop them. Same effect. 3 eggs. Breadcrumbs. Ours is crackers, 1 cup. We had a little bit more. And 1/2 cup of cow juice. And we're gonna mix it up.
God, we clean today, and now look at this mess.
Does your wife talk to dogs? Mine does. Gloved up, ready to go. Here we go, y'all. Get in there and just turn and mix. Turn and mix. I got the gloves on. My nasty fingers ain't touching nothing. Alright. Gloves trying to come off. Alright, there we go. Since I'm smoking it, I'm gonna add some Heath Riles sweet barbecue rub inside of my mix here. We'll give it a good little douse. And then we're gonna mix it in. Like I say, you don't have to put this on a smoker or a grill or anything like that. You can simply put it in your oven at 350. Per the package instructions, the meatloaf seasoning that we got, and it'll be just fine. Me and Vanessa, we kind of like getting into that smoke flavor, the char flavor from charcoal or wood smoke added to our food. I bought a smoker a few years ago for my birthday, and we have really enjoyed it, testing out new things and doing new things. So what you want to do after you mix this up, you just want to make a loaf out of it, like a big meat log, if you will, and it'll be ready to go on the grill. Okay. So what we want to do, pick it up, move it over. And we're going to make us kind of pat it down and form it up, make it a little longer. That way you can slice it. Get it where y'all can see it. You can form it into like a big hamburger steak type thing and smooth it and make it all uniform if you want to, like that. Just like that. So that I'm gonna go with that. I'm gonna try to get my temperature probes out, and we're gonna cook the temperature, internal temperature with it. It's not that complicated because charcoal is harder to regulate than a regular oven. I like using temp probes for this, but it sounds complicated, but it's not. You just stick a temp probe in there, and I have it Bluetooth to my phone, and once it hits temperature, I go out to the grill and I get it. It's as simple as that. All right, another thing I'm gonna do before I take it out to the grill is I'm going to give a good dusting of the sweet barbecue rub, and then we are ready for the grill. Oh no, bad idea. So I'm gonna cook this on the opposite side. So I'm not using my grates. And I'm doing this on the fly, folks. So I'm trying to find my temp probes. If I can't, I'll just wing it. We've done this enough. So here's our meatloaf, and we are going to move it over to one side to let it cook, okay? And then we're going to close. So I got my fire on one side, I got my smoke right there, and I got my meatloaf. And I'm going to close it. I'll check back with y'all in a little while. We're going to check it. I'm going to try to find my temp probes. So just a FYI, if you haven't ever used one of these before, it's a pretty simple device. You can buy one at Walmart for like 20 bucks. I think there's cheaper versions that are just basically the meat probe that you insert into the meat. A lot of times it comes with a guide that'll show you how to cook, how high to cook things and stuff like that, and you can monitor your cooking temperature of course right now it's just doing the air temperature outside, which is 58. Pretty inexpensive. Instead of cooking by time like you do in the oven in the house, you cook by temperature. So you wait on this to get up to whatever desired temperature you need it. You stick it in the thickest part of the meat if possible. If it's a steak, the thickest part of the steak, and once it reaches that temperature, you're good to go. An alarm will sound on the device. In this case, this one is a little more expensive. It Bluetooths to my phone, and it'll send me a notification or start ringing an alarm on my phone when it reaches the temperature. So I can go in the house and just chill, and I can look at it on my phone from inside the house. So pretty easy thing to use. And instead of cooking by time, we're cooking by temperature. Okay. So I'm gonna show you. This is what it looks like. I have inserted it in there. This is our meatloaf and what it looks like. This is our fire on this side. And it is cooking. You can kind of tell. So as we go, it's already jumped up to 106 just since we've been here. So I'm gonna close the lid, and we are gonna set this thing on our phone, and we're gonna see when. Rotate it around here right quick. Let's set it right there. We got it run up in there, and it's sitting on 108. So I'm gonna Bluetooth it to my phone, and I'm gonna monitor it from inside the house, hopefully. Be back with y'all in a little bit when it's done. All right, y'all, this is the finished product. We'll take it in the house. Y'all, I sauced it up. No affiliation, Sweet Baby Ray's. We found out we like this better, so this is the way we make meatloaf. Thought it was. We really hope y'all like this recipe. Pretty simple. You can see the steam rolling off of it a little bit. We hope y'all enjoy this. This is the way we like doing it. Usually I use my electric smoker, but tonight I use my charcoal grill. So if you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe, and we'll see y'all on the next video. Bye.